today, may naman gamit tayo ng POM-QM with MMM or MMS. So, dalawa yung server kasi natin or yung teller. So, ito na yung POM-QM natin. Yan. So, MMM, ito yung MMM. Ito. Yan. So, paramin din natin ito ng BPI. And then, use cost. And click OK. Substitute natin yung mga value. Arrival rate is 15. So, service rate is 17. Number of servers is 2. Service cost per time is 10. And waiting cost per time is 5. So, solve. Ayan. So, tingnan natin kung tama tayong nakuha sa pinag-solve natin. So, average utilization or yung P is 44 is here, 0.44 is tama. LQ is 0.21. 0.21. Tama. LQ. And L is 1.1. Ito, 1.1 na L. Then, 0.1 na average time in Q. WQ. WQ 0.1. 0.7 na W. 0.7. 0.39 na para PO, which is ito, 58.78. 39 na rin yan pag ni-round off. And yung waiting cost is 21.07. So, yan. Tama naman tayo mga nakuha. So, ito yung table of probabilities. Then, yung cost per servers. So, dumami yung server natin. Paiba-iba yung value na meron tayo. So, umaangat din. Ito, sensitivity to number servers. And then yung graph. So, yan. Papapangit yung graph dito. B is N is equals to K. Commutative is pangat ulit. Yung decumulative is pababa dahil kabaliktaran na naman ng commutative yan. So, that's all for MMM or MMS. Meron tayong 2 servers here. Thank you and bye.